Hello everyone, this is Amit. In this video, we'll learn how we can easily convert text to speech with a single click. It is free and it is without any limit. You don't need to download or pay for a particular software, and there is no need to copy the text that you would like to convert to speech to some website. It's all done from your local computer. And so here is an example of what we will be able to achieve.
Using speech, you can listen to either a selected part of the document, or the whole document. Like other standalone text-to-speech apps, you can pause the speech if you have to get up and leave the computer for a while and resume it when you return.
So in order to convert any text to speech, you need to use Notepad++. Notepad++ is actually a better alternative to Microsoft Notepad. It is free, it is open source, and it is incredibly powerful, and yet it's pretty lightweight. And you can install Notepad++ in literally few seconds. If you would like to learn more about it, I'm going to link the video, or you can just Google Notepad++ and just follow the installation procedure. And so once you download and install Notepad++, it should look something like this. It's pretty similar to how the Microsoft Notepad looks like. And so we are going to install a plugin called Speech in Notepad++. Plugin is something like an extension or an additional feature that you add to a particular software. So if you have already installed Notepad++, all you have to do is just go to plugin menu here and go to plugins admin and then search for speech. So yeah, I already had that. And if you search, you will see it just shows up right here. And you can read more about it. There's a GitHub page. So this is an open source plugin, and then learn more about it. So in order to install this, you just select and then click install. And then Notepad++ will restart to install this. So it'll just bring up a window where it says it needs to be restarted. All right, so we have done the restart and the plugin should be installed. And the way in which you can check is if you go to plugins, you should see speech as one of the main items. So here is all the options that it provides. So you can select a particular text and let it speak, or you can enable to speak the entire document. And so we looked at earlier, if I want to just run a particular or select a particular part of the text, I can go select and then go to plugin and speech and speak. Now you may not be able to hear that because I have microphone as my input, but you can select the section of the text, or you can enable the entire document. At some point, if you would like to pause, you can even pause and continue the speech. And so that's about it. Actually, you can just have just one paragraph for your entire document, and it should work without any trouble. So I hope you like this video. If you did, just click on the like button. And as I said, if you like the content of this channel, please subscribe to my channel. All right. Thank you. Bye.